Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to check your activity history on Hilomarket. First, head over to your dashboard. To view your past predictions, click the clock icon on the right. Your prediction history will appear, showing all stats from your previous predictions. You can also use filters and sorting options to refine the view. If you'd like to export your data, click the Export button and a file will be downloaded to your computer. The same process applies to your markets, evaluations, or validations history. For example, click on Validations, then open the History section. Here, you'll see all the proposals, challenges, and votes you've made during validation phases. You can also export this data with a single click. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.